Welcome to this loving kindness meditation. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes if that feels right for you, and allow your body to rest. Invite yourself to pause, shifting gently from the usual activity of doing into a quiet space of simply being. Allow the body to be still and the mind to soften. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. There's no need to change anything, just observe. Let each breath arrive and pass naturally, like waves coming to shore. If your mind begins to wander, that's perfectly natural. Gently notice where it has gone and return your attention to your breath. Allow your breath to be an anchor in this moment. Breathing in and out, present with each cycle. Now bring to mind someone or something that warms your heart. It could be a close friend, a cherished pet, or anyone who brings you a sense of ease and joy. Picture them in your mind and notice how it feels in your body to think of them. You might feel a gentle smile, a sense of warmth, or an opening in your chest. Allow that feeling to stay with you. Let it fill you. As you notice this warmth, silently repeat these phrases, sending these wishes to your someone or something. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. Notice the feeling of warmth and connection spread throughout your body. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. Now, turning your attention inward, begin to offer those same feelings of kindness to yourself. Silently repeat these phrases, letting them resonate with your breath. May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. Let the words move through you slowly with care. There's no need to force anything. Just offer them gently and openly. May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. If your mind starts to wander as it naturally will, bring your attention back to your breath, in and out. Now, bring into awareness someone who has supported or encouraged you in some way. It might be a friend, a mentor, or someone you feel gratitude toward. Visualize them and extend your heartfelt wishes to them. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. Stay with the feelings that arise. Let them flow naturally. Now, if you feel ready, bring to mind someone you find challenging. Not someone who causes great distress, but perhaps a person you experience occasional conflict or tension with. Visualize them gently, holding them in awareness with as much care as you can. Repeat the phrases, allowing them to come from your heart. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. There may be resistance or emotion. See if you can simply allow it, noticing what comes up without judgment. Now, expand your awareness outward. Imagine all the people in your life, family, friends, neighbors, co-workers, even strangers you pass by. Widen your circle of care to include your community, your city, your country, and all beings everywhere. With a sense of connection, silently offer these wishes. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. Rest for a few moments in this feeling of connection and compassion. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the breath. Feel your body supported by the ground beneath you. Begin to notice the room, the sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes if you like. And when the time feels right, gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling of loving kindness with you as you return to your day.